Hi, let's continue talking about questions. In this lesson, we'll focus specifically on information questions. Information questions require more than a yes or no answer. They ask about things like time and place. The question words are who, what, when, where, why, how, whose, and which. Information questions take the same word order as yes/no questions. You only need to add the question word to the beginning of the sentence. The question words what, which, and whose are sometimes followed by a noun, as in these examples. What time does class end? Which cities will you visit in Europe? Whose presentation did you enjoy the most? How much and how many are also usually followed by a noun. How many lessons have you finished so far? How may also be used with an adjective or adverb, such as how much, how many, how long, how far, or how often. How soon will we finish this lesson? How often do you study grammar? A question may ask about a subject or an object. If a question asks about the subject, then the answer is the subject of the sentence. For example, if I ask, who visited? The answer can be Julie visited. Who is the subject in the question. Julie is the subject in the answer. I could also say Julie did, or just say Julie. Look at this next question. Who did you visit? Julie. You is the subject, not who. Compare that with who visited. The subject is who. Let's go back to the question, who did you visit? The answer is, I visited Julie. This time, Julie is the object of the sentence. Here's a tip. If the question word is the subject, do, does, and did are not used. And the verb in the question has the same form as the verb in the answer. Let's practice a little. Look at the question and answer. Give the verb for the question. What do you think? How did you do with this lesson? Do you understand how to form questions now?